Okay, we're out here in the garden. Pops, tell them what you just put in.
I just got in a 275 gallon water tank laying on this pallet. We're going to pump water out of the creek to fill this up so we can hook a hose here and have water to water the garden.
So we're gonna hook a hose to it.
We got a pump. I'm gonna get a pump, and it'll suck water out of the creek and draw it up, and it'll pump it into here. So we'll fill it up with creek water, and then we'll just hook a regular hose to this and be able to water the garden with creek water instead of, you know, city water. We'll
Nice.
get the natural spring creek water.
It's kind of raining a little bit today. It's warm. Last day of March. Just out here checking on everything. We did have a freeze the other night, 2 nights ago. I did prematurely plant some zinnias that I grew from seed, and they died. I was testing it to see if it was true, and it is. The good thing about it is I have more at home. I also planted some sunflowers. And then in my buckets, under my milk jugs there, I put some seeds in the ground to make mini greenhouses, I guess. My radishes got bit a little bit. They're right over here, radishes. And then today, let me show you what I did today. So this right here is gonna be our tomato garden. And I went ahead and put a tomato in the ground prematurely again. Put a little greenhouse over it. Just gonna see what happens. I have plenty more at home. Let's come over here and talk to Pops and see what he has going on in the barn. What is this, Pops?
Need a little addition to the farm. It's a little mini excavator, track excavator. I think I will use it for, you know, around the farm, little projects, digging and cleaning.
Tell me why you chose this as a tool.
This because I don't want to afford anything bigger, and I don't really need anything bigger. And this was a good, you know, economic option for being able to dig trenches. You can do a lot of stuff with it, so it'll be a good tool for the farm, and it didn't cost, you know, too much.
I got it over here. We need more than one knife on the farm. We have one knife.
Yeah, we'll just, you know, cut the plastic off of it. See what she looks like.
What is this? It's like felt. We could use this for something.
Yeah, this is all the way from China.
China.
But it was in the U.S., so it didn't take long to get here, and it wasn't that difficult to get here.
He bought it on Sunday and it got here on Thursday. It came from Chicago.
This is the first I've seen it. I haven't even seen it myself.
Wow. Even these little tracks look cool.
So got a little blade on the front of it so you can push dirt. Big dirt. It's got a mechanical thumb.
You're just living your best life, aren't you, honey? He still says I'm the best thing that ever happened to him. So he's a smart guy, if anything. Right?
Take the blanket off.
The unveiling.
Hopefully it's not all beat up.
The ribbon cutting. Oh no, look at that. Well, would you looky there? That is pretty cool looking, honey. That's gonna be a lot for me to learn.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
It's got a little toolbox. What is that?
yeah, there's a little toolbox and instructions. A little battery switch that cracked probably in shipping. It's not that big a deal. That's off, and that turns the battery on.
Can you order a new one? I'm sure you don't like a broken one.
Yeah, it'll be all right. Probably just pops on there anyway. United States Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, Briggs & Stratton serial number. It's a 13.5 horse Briggs & Stratton engine that runs the hydraulics.
That's pretty cool.
It's actually backwards. That's the front of the machine. And this is the back of the machine.
Oh.
Have it spun around. It's still on the crate, so it's not that stable. Look at this map.
That looks pretty cool.
I'll have to figure everything out because I've heard all the instructions are in Chinese, so you kind of just have to figure it out for yourself. But it's got a key, throttle, hour meter, which the hour meter says it has over 200 hours on it already.
Let me see.
So it's bad. That was one of the complaints, the hour meters are wrong. So, but I've already found a new hour meter and they're like $10 and it'll say 0. That one says 216 hours. Huh. But it's brand new, it's never, I don't know, I think as long as you have the power on, if you have this power switch on, the hour meter will run. It doesn't have to have the engine running, just the battery switch turned on, I think.
Comes with a little toolbox.
Yeah, look in there. Oh, there's my handle.
Yep.
I can just glue it on, super glue.
Oh, what's this? Like a little pad or something?
Yeah, there's the battery's underneath here, so this comes off. You take this panel off to get to the battery. Most people, these things don't last very long because they get lost.
He wanted an orange one. They came in orange, blue, or yellow. His first choice was orange to match Uhtred, but they didn't have orange, so he picked yellow.
Looks like they have new owners manuals.
What language is it in?
It's in English.
Oh, good.
Yeah, look, the old one, they look like they made some up and put them in these little pamphlets.
Nice.
Ta-da. Oh, here's a little grease gun to grease all your grease zerks. A 16mm socket, a couple sockets. Phillips screwdriver. Looks like a spark plug, tool. Another socket. 17, 19 millimeter wrench and a little, this is to put the sockets on. Somehow. That's your little toolbox you get. Well, I'm going to check all the fluids. Maybe we'll start it up. Try to get it off again.
Take it for a little ride?
Yeah.
Hey.
We'll go a little slower.
Yeah, Cookie out here in the garden with Pops, who is messing right now with his mini excavator. This is his first time on it. Oh goodness. I'm gonna get a little video of this. Did he read the instructions? I just don't know.
That's for protection so I don't tip over when I come off this pallet.
Okay. Careful.
Oh, I'm backwards. See, that's the front. These are backwards.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Whoa, Pops.
Now I'm good.
I knew he was going to try to pick up a tree. Because why not? This is where he breaks it. Well, you're looky there.
You want to drive it?
No, thanks.
I gotta move these pallets out of the way. Whoa!
Look at this. I am trying to grow some seeds in the ground. I put the little milk jugs over them to, again, act as a mini greenhouse. But it's very windy out here today and they're blowing everywhere. So this is what I'm gonna try. I put this old headboard against the fence to kind of wedge them down. Hopefully that works. We will come back tomorrow and they may be completely gone because we're supposed to get some bad storms, high winds tonight. So we'll see.